Hey, what is up guys? This is Neil and you're watching Android Postmortem. In this video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of Ruffpad or writing tablet. Oh no. Not to be confused with Android tablet. It is a writing tablet. You can write on it and you can erase everything with just one button. So without wasting much time, let's go straight to the video.
This is a Ruffpad rewritable LCD pad. I ordered this from Amazon for around 400 rupees and I will say it's a value for money product, at least for me. I have already used this product for a week and now I am reviewing. This writing tab is 4.5mm thick and has a 8.5-inch pressure sensitive display with a button to erase everything what we will write over it. The Ruffpad comes with a stylus which is just made of plastic, and sorry, it will not work in your phone anyway. And now let me show you that how cool it feels to write over it with this stylus. This stylus is nothing but a hard pointed material. You can also use your nail to write over it. The ink has a greenish color and it seems quite bright in direct light. I like this product a lot because it is helping me in my everyday rough work. I'll put a buying link below so you can check it out there. You can see here that how much bright the ink really is. So when you will be done with your writing, then just press that button to erase everything on your screen. It comes with a 3V watch battery which will give you around 1.5 years battery life. The thing is made of a quite hard plastic, so you don't need to be worried about any kind of damage. It also comes with 4 magnets at the back to stick it in places. So that is all we have with this Ruffpad. If you are a person who do a lot of rough work like me, then I will suggest you to check it out for at least once.
That's all for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Actually it was my first unboxing and maybe in future I will unbox more things. So if you like the video, then do like, comment and share the video, and don't forget to press the subscribe button below. You can also follow me in my social medias and here are the social handles. Also if you want to download cool mod applications, then you can also join my Telegram family. It's growing, it's really growing. So you can join there. Channel's name is the same, Android Postmortem. Stay curious, stay safe, stay high. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.